What's up, guys? All right, today is the first drive, the actual drive where I'm going to take it on the road, put it through the gears, manually, of course. Still don't have the trans controller, but I want to just take it out, drive it. I got to check transmission fluid first and make sure coolant's all right. When I was checking the fans to make sure those would kick on, it was just sitting here idling. Fans kicked on, so should be good there. But yeah, we'll take you along for it, and we'll hopefully not break anything and it goes smooth. Well, we made it back. It moved. It did everything. Headers are still burning off a little bit. I really haven't drove it that much, so. Pulled her in a little close, I know that. Holy cow. But cool. Let's open her up here. Yeah, it's just header smoke. Cool. I'll take that. First drive was good.